Yo, what is going on, everyone? My name is Josh, and today we got a brand new unboxing video, and it is a Travis Scott item, which means it took a little bit longer to get here, but I'm excited for it because I really wanted to check out what these pieces feel like, because this is the Travis Scott Cactus Plant Flea Market McDonald's collab thing, and I've always been a fan of like looking at Cactus Plant Flea Market pieces, but I've never really owned one for the personal, and this is also not one for the personal, unless I just never end up selling it. I have it listed right now for like under retail because that's what resell is, and I more or less just got it to check out the piece, and that's that. So right off the bat, we have this Cactus Jack McDonald's bag. I think I'm gonna keep this for the personal. I don't think I'm gonna sell it with the hoodie, just as a little like, okay, you know, I had it, and that's that. That's going right in the personal, probably like right on my shelf right here, and it's not gonna go anywhere but there, and it's more or less just like another piece just to have there and be like, yeah, you know, I got it, and that's that. But let's get into what we are waiting for, and that is the hoodie that I am reselling, like I said, but I really only wanted to check it out for the quality. Now, it is an unboxing video, meaning gotta open it. Got that new hoodie smell though, got that new hoodie smell. So right off the bat, as we're taking it out of the packages, nice and fresh. I'm curious to see, and you can tell Cactus Plant definitely printed this because I feel like this is their style. Like, I feel like they had something to do with Kanye's shit, or they inspired it, because he printed all over the pockets, and like it ripped across the print as well, and it looks like it's gonna do that on here. I'm trying to not do that because, well, I guess it's already open, so it don't matter. But let's see what is up. I don't know, I'm curious because I hear Cactus Plant Flea Market is good quality stuff, but let's find out. It just seems like normal blanks to me almost. Well, I don't know. I don't know what blank this is. Maybe they get their own stuff custom. They got their strings tied right there, so I won't untie those. But this is actually a pretty interesting piece. It looks a little small for a medium, if I'm being honest with you, but no, I mean, it's definitely a medium. Look at this monstrosity of a piece. It's literally just like, what's up, world? Yeah, you. I'm Travis Scott. This my McDonald's order. Follow me. Here's my quarter pounder with lettuce, pickle, onion, ketchup, mustard, bacon. Here's my fries. I can't believe they added this right here. There are so many things going on in this hoodie, I have no clue. Sometimes I do this, and then I dip them in my barbecue sauce. Oh yeah, and my Sprite. It's lit. Same order since back in Houston, and you could try it too. Gotta go, he says. I don't know, I mean, this is a cool piece to have. Like, honestly, I wouldn't mind keeping this for the personal, but if I had to pick, I would much rather buy the Kid Cudi Cactus Plant Flea Market merch than this one, and I still have to go and get my hands on it, and I'm lacking right now, and I know, I'm sorry, but here it is. Let's get a closer look to it. Alright, so here we go. Here's the front of it, and as you can tell, it does have the puff print, and the way you could tell that is like you could just see like the different kind of print they use, because that's not the same paint that a lot of places will use for their, let's say, screen printed stuff. More or less, this is definitely a puff print, and it adds some character to it. I do like it. There's a lot of different colors, so you could tell they did a lot of effort into it if you know the style and you know what goes into making these pieces. But I mean, it's literally just typed up text with like a splatter of that, but it's a piece. It's Travis Scott. What are you gonna do? People are gonna buy it. People are gonna sell it. That's just how it goes. This is the tag, as always. All the Travis tags are the same with the Cactus Jack, all that good stuff. But let's see what the back looks like. And then here's the back. This is what it looks like. Still more puff print and a lot of different colors in the text. So again, like I said, they did a lot of effort on this piece, so I could see why they retailed it at the price they did, which was around over $100 and some. But I'm definitely gonna get under retail for it because that's just what it's at right now. There's nothing you could really do about that. But I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about this. I'm genuinely curious. I was excited for this just because I wanted to see what the Cactus Plant merch felt like, but it's nothing like insane. Well, maybe just because this is the piece and it's just literally all just text and like a random Travis Scott and logo and all that shit. But what do you guys think? Let me know what you think down below. This has been Josh, and I'm out. Peace.